In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this DEX single player and choose the save file you like to use. I'm going with this 98, and then just close tab here and press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local AppData percentage again and click on OK. Go to AppData, open roaming, uplay, dex, saves, syndicate, and this is your game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, back up your game progress. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup and then open the backup folder. Just drag and drop these files inside. Drag and drop all these files inside this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, the language is in Russian. To change it to English, quit the game. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open language changer, open multi, copy this language and go back to game folder and paste it in here. Replace the file in the destination and now you can launch the game. As you can see, the game language changed to English and now you can continue the game. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.